Hi everyone, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com and I'm here with some happy mail. Jenny over at Zipit on Etsy is sponsoring my upcoming bag maker workshop. It's going to be held on April 19th at noon Eastern. We're going to meet on Zoom and I am going to demo 3 zipper installations for you, and we are going to have some giveaways from Zipit on Etsy to help you overcome your fear of zippers. Thank you so much, Jenny. She has a darling Etsy shop with beautiful zippers in there. Oh my gosh, this is just pure tea heaven. Wow. Whoa, get a look at that. Oh my gosh, so much fun inside of here. Okay, and I'll put a link to her Etsy shop as well for you so you can check out her selection. We've got some really awesome color cards here. This is just so fun. Tons and tons of zippers. Amazing. Really, these are more zippers than I can sew in a year. These remind me of spring and Easter. Beautiful. Oh, now these are my favorite. These are double pull purse zippers, and this is what I am going to be working with in the workshop. We've got lots of those in tons of colors. Oh, these are really pretty too. Oh, Jenny, thank you so much. We are going to have a lot of fun. So this workshop is free, but there are only about 30 more seats left. So sign up sooner rather than later because I'm capped at 100 seats in the Zoom room. I will be hosting more bag maker workshops throughout the spring and summer. So you can watch for those opportunities to register. And please let me know what types of themes you would like me to cover. I am just so giddy with this collection of zippers. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. So if you like what you're seeing, you're going to want to come to the workshop because we're going to have some door prizes. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So thank you so much, Jenny, and I can't wait to see 100 of you in the Sewspire Zoom Room to tackle your fear of zippers. I'll see you soon, everybody.